In this video, we're solving a trigonometric equation, and the problem says find, to the nearest hundredth, all possible solutions of the following equation in radians. Notice that it wants us to give the final answer in radians. A good strategy for that case is to let's just find the answers in degrees, and then in the end we'll convert the answers from degrees to radians. Good. So here is the equation. So we have 3 times the sine of a plus 2 is equal to 3 minus the sine of a. First, we'll use the distributive property, so we get 3 times the sine of a plus 6 is equal to 3 minus the sine of a. We need to isolate that sine function, which means get it by itself and on one side. So I'll remove it from this side by adding the sine of a to both sides. 3 times the sine of a plus the sine of a gives us 4 times the sine of a plus 6 is equal to 3. We're isolating this sine of a now, so we will subtract 6 from both sides. We have the 4 times the sine of a is equal to negative 3. Now we'll divide both sides by 4, dividing both sides by 4, and we end up with the sine of a is equal to negative 3/4. Excellent. Now, let's find the values of a in degrees that make this true, and then remember we'll come back and we'll convert those answers into radians since that's what the problem is asking for. Good. So to find this answers in degrees, your calculator has to be in degree mode.